everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to export all images at once from Excel with Kutools for Excel. The previous method may extract all objects from the workbook, maybe some of them that you don't need. If you have Kutools for Excel installed, its export graphics feature may help you to save only the pictures that you need. Click the Kutools Plus tab. Uh, in the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and click the Export Graphics. In the Export Graphics dialog box, choose Pictures option from the Types drop-down list. Click this button to select a folder to save your exporting pictures. Click the OK button. Finally, click the drop-down list from the export format to choose one format for your pictures. And then click the OK button to close the dialog. And only the pictures in your current workbook are exported to your specified folder. Click the OK button. If you check the specified folder, you can see that only pictures are exported to that specified folder. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.